Welcome class 9. Hopefully you will be good. Today I am going to discuss about your book exercise of unit number 1, The Savior of Mankind. Date is 17/8/2020. It's my 32nd lecture and day is Monday. So I am going to tell you how can I make questions from your book exercise and what kind of questions can be important, how you can learn your book exercise according to your exam. See, the glossary is given. So difficult words meanings are given. You have to learn these words meaning by heart because all of these words meanings are important. Any words can become such as I give you a sentence and tell me the meaning of solitude. You should know what is the meaning of solitude. It means loneliness. So you should know the meaning. If you know the meaning, then you will correct the MCQs are correct options. So we have 4 options A, B, C and D, and you have to select the correct answer. If you know the correct meaning, then it will be easy for you to identify the correct answer in MCQ. So learn it by heart. On next page, it's 8 questions are given. You have answers of all of these question answers. So what type of land Arabia is? So why land of Arabia is famous? I have changed the question. The answer will be the same. यानी questions का answer सेम होगा, लेकिन मैं क्वेश्चंस को चेंज कर सकती हूँ. सच एज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लैंड अरेबिया इज़. उन्होंने सिर्फ ये पूछा है कि अरेबिया किस तरह की लैंड है. अब मैं ये अगर पूछ लेती हूँ कि वाई द लैंड ऑफ अरेबिया इज़ impressive or why the land of Arabia is important, या what important things are in the land of Arabia. कोई भी क्वेश्चन मैं चेंज करके दे सकती हूँ. इट्स doesn't mean that you don't know the answer, you don't learn the question. Just learn the questions and understand each and every impact or each and every meaning, all the aspects of the answer, so that whenever I change the question, you know what kind of question I have given you and you can write the answer to your own. See, vocabulary. Consult the thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. So I can give you the words meaning of such as I can write imagination. What is the meaning of imagination? I give you the 3 meanings. You can select the correct option. यानी imagination का क्रिएटिविटी है आंसर, और इमेजिनेशन के मैं 3 वर्ड्स डिफरेंट वर्ड्स दूँ, उनमें से आपने करेक्ट मीनिंग जो है उसको सर्कल करना है. सो it is important. Then prefixes and suffixes important. I can give you co-author. The underlined word co is prefix or suffix. You should know it is prefix. Same, I can give you the word treatment. So the underlined word meant is prefix or suffix. You should know it is suffix. यानी आपको प्रोफिक्सेस एंड सुफिक्सेस की पहचान होनी चाहिए. अगर मैं किसी भी वर्ड को अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ और पूछ रही हूँ कि ये प्रोफिक्स है या सुफिक्स है, यू शुड नो डैट इट इज़ प्रोफिक्स और इट इज़ सुफिक्स. Then match the column. These kind of questions are not given in your exam, but question answers are important, such as charm. I can give you the word charm mean. You should know charm means attraction. If I give you chaos means confusion. The word chaos means, then I give you 3 options and you should know that chaos means confusion. Grammar, adjectives. These are the MCQs. 4 MCQs are already made. I can give you any sentence and I ask you to write the correct adjectives in the blank. You should know the answer. Then conditional type 1 sentences. You should know what is conditional type 1 sentences. I can give you the sentence, if I see Aslam, I will invite him to dinner tomorrow. So this sentence is the example of conditional type 1, conditional type 2, conditional type 3 sentence. You should know its present tense and future indefinite tense. If present definite and future indefinite tense is given in a sentence, such as, see, present definite tense and future indefinite tense is given in a sentence, it will be conditional type 1 sentence, and the sentences will be start with if say sentences start होंगे. So you should know the answer. Then put the correct verb. Options are given: has been, have been, will and will be. 4 options are already given. I can just give you the sentence, I dash live in this house since 1970. You should know that you have to write has been or have been. But you have to write, it's I, you will write have been, because since it's written here प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस में हम हैज़ बीन या हैव बीन लगाते हैं, आई के साथ हमेशा हैव बीन लगेगा. सो यू शुड नो द रूल एंड यू शुड नो द आंसर. You have to learn the book exercise, you have to learn question answers fully, and also prepare your book full chapter as a whole, so that if I make any question you are able to give me answer. I shall take your test on Monday and Thursday according to group A and group B. I will announce it tomorrow that how I shall take the test of this chapter. I shall take the test of first chapter and present indefinite tense given in your grammar book. Tomorrow I shall discuss present indefinite tense so that you can prepare yourself for your test. And I shall take your test on Wednesday and Thursday. I hope you will prepare it, and if you don't solve any activity, try to solve it before the test. Allah Hafiz class.